Imagine a world where you can follow your passion, share your creativity, and make a living doing what you love. That world does exist, and it's called YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users and thousands of successful YouTubers making a substantial income from their channels, YouTube has become a gateway to success in the digital world. But how do you make money on YouTube? Before we dive into the tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our engaging videos. Tip 1. Launching your channel, the foundation for success. The first step on your YouTube journey is to create your own channel. Your YouTube account is linked to your Google account, so you can either use your existing Google account or create a new one specifically for your channel. When choosing your username, opt for something simple and memorable. Complicated usernames can make it challenging for people to remember and find your channel. Imagine someone saying, "I saw a cool video on that channel, but I can't recall the name." If your current username isn't working for you, don't worry. You can easily change it to your Google Plus account. To ensure maximum visibility, add relevant keywords connected to your content in the advanced section of your channel settings. These keywords will help YouTube's algorithm understand your content better and recommend it to the right audience. Tip 2. Crafting engaging content, the key to attracting viewers. Now that you have your own YouTube channel, it's time to focus on creating high-quality and engaging content. The success of your channel hinges on your ability to captivate and retain an audience. Discovering your unique style and finding topics that resonate with your audience is crucial. Remember, even popular YouTubers started with modest beginnings. Take a look at some of their earliest videos. They may not be as impressive as their current content, but the key is to keep improving and evolving. To prevent viewers from losing interest, aim to keep your videos concise and captivating. Long intros or unnecessary fluff can deter viewers from sticking around. Get straight to the point and deliver value early on. As you progress, consider investing in better equipment such as cameras and editing software. While equipment does play a role in enhancing the quality of your videos, content is king. Focus on delivering valuable and entertaining content that resonates with your target audience. Tip 3. Monetization. Now let's talk about the exciting part, monetizing your YouTube channel and turning your passion into a profit. To start monetizing your content and generating revenue from your videos, you have to follow these simple steps. First, go to your channel's homepage. Second, click on the Video Manager link. Third, once again, click on Channel. And fourth, choose Enable Monetization. Congratulations! By enabling monetization, YouTube will now place ads in your videos. However, building a substantial income requires more than just enabling monetization. You need to build a dedicated and loyal audience. Share your videos on social media platforms, engage with your viewers, and establish a personal connection. Once your audience finds value in your content and feels connected to you, they are more likely to support you monetarily. But before you can start earning money, there are 2 requirements you need to meet. First, you need at least 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel within the past 12 months. This shows that your content is engaging and attracts viewers. Second, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. These thresholds ensure that you build a solid foundation for monetization. If you're just starting out and haven't reached these milestones yet, don't worry. Focus on creating quality content and engaging with your audience. As you consistently produce valuable videos, your watch time and subscriber count will gradually increase. Additionally, you can monetize your older videos by opening the Video Manager and clicking on the $ next to those videos. To receive your earnings promptly, set up your Google AdSense account. AdSense is the platform that facilitates the monetization process and ensures you receive your earnings. You can create an AdSense account for free on the AdSense website. If you're under 18 years of age, seek assistance from your parents to complete the process. AdSense requires a PayPal account or a valid email address to identify you and facilitate money transfers. Tip 4. Analytics. Unveiling insights for growth. For any YouTuber, whether a beginner or an experienced creator, analytics play a vital role in understanding your audience and improving your content. YouTube provides a range of analytics tools that offer valuable insights into your channel's performance. Regularly monitoring your analytics is crucial, especially in the early stages of building your audience. These numbers reveal valuable information that can guide you in improving your content and engaging with your viewers more effectively. Let's explore some key analytics metrics and how they can help you on your journey to YouTube success. Watch time, audience retention, demographics, traffic sources, comments, and engagement. By leveraging these analytics tools, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience's preference, track your progress, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your content strategy. Regularly reviewing your analytics and making adjustments based on the insights you gather will help you grow your channel and attract more viewers. Tip 5. Seizing opportunities. Licensing your content. Imagine if just one of your videos were to go viral and gain significant attention. In such cases, there's an opportunity to profit further by licensing your content. News media outlets, TV stations, and other creators may approach you for the rights to use your video, offering compensation in return. This presents an exciting avenue to capitalize on your successful content and expand your revenue streams beyond ad revenue alone. If you find yourself in such a situation, carefully consider the terms of the licensing agreement. Ensure that it aligns with your goals, protects your rights as the content creator, and offers fair compensation for the use of your video. Licensing your content can not only provide financial benefit, but also increase your exposure and open doors to new possibilities. Tip 6. Going the extra mile. If you aspire to take your YouTube channel to the next level and unlock even more opportunities, consider becoming a YouTube partner. Becoming a partner allows you to access a range of additional benefits and resources that can fuel your channel's growth and success. To become a YouTube partner, you need to meet an additional requirement of 15,000 subscribers. While it may seem like a daunting number, remember that building a loyal and engaging subscriber base is a gradual process. Stay consistent, create valuable content, and engage with your audience. As you gain more subscribers and meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply to become a YouTube partner. Becoming a YouTube partner comes with several advantages: creation tools, community support, promotion and collaboration opportunities, and revenue stream. Tip 7. Selling merchandise. Amplifying your channel's reach. As your YouTube channel gains prominence and a loyal following, you can seize the opportunity to sell your own merchandise. Selling merchandise not only strengthens your connection with your audience, but also amplifies your channel's reach and provides an additional stream of income. Creating and selling merchandise allows your subscribers to support your channel while proudly representing your brand. It's a win-win situation where your audience gets to show their appreciation and you get the benefit financially. Tip 8. Affiliate marketing. Expanding your revenue stream. Another avenue to explore for monetizing your YouTube channel is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission for promoting and recommending products or services from other companies. It can be a lucrative way to diversify your revenue streams and earn passive income. Choose relevant products or services. Select products or services that align with your channel's niche and are of genuine interest to your audience. It's crucial to maintain authenticity and only promote products that you genuinely believe in. Join affiliate programs. Many companies and online platforms offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn a commission for each sale around affiliate product. Incorporate affiliate links in your dedicated review videos, tutorials, or recommendation lists where you showcase and discuss the features and benefits of the product. Provide value and insight. When promoting affiliate products, focus on providing genuine value to your audience. Share your personal experiences, highlight the benefits, and offer insightful recommendations. Tip 9. Sponsorship. Collaborating with brands. Sponsorships provide a fantastic opportunity to monetize your YouTube channel while collaborating with established brands. Partnering with brands allows you to integrate their products or services into your content in a seamless and authentic manner. Align with suitable brands. Look for brands that align with your channel's values, content niche, and audience demographic. Showcase your value. When approaching brands for sponsorships, highlight the value you can provide to their brand. Showcase your channel's reach, engagement metrics, and demographics. Craft personalized sponsorship proposals. Tailor your sponsorship proposals to each brand you approach. Emphasize how you can creatively incorporate their products or services into your content and how it will benefit your audience. Maintain authenticity. It's essential to maintain authenticity and transparency when working with brands. Only collaborate with brands and products that you genuinely believe in and that align with your channel's value. Negotiate fair compensation. When negotiating sponsorship deals, consider the value you provide to the brand the scope of the collaboration, and your channel's metrics. Remember that sponsored content should provide value to your audience while meeting the objectives of the brand. Strive for a win-win situation where both you and the brand benefit. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge and strategies to conquer YouTube and monetize your channel, why wait any longer? Start sharing your captivating ideas and creations with the world today. Embrace the power of YouTube to transform your life and turn your dreams into reality. Remember, success on YouTube is within reach. All you need is passion, dedication, and the courage to embark on this extraordinary adventure. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. We'll see you next time. Make sure to check out more videos on the screen.